Hello food lovers, welcome back to my channel. I am Cuckoo and today we have a delightful and vibrant dessert in store for you. That's beetroot halwa. In a pressure cooker, add in the grated beetroot, milk and fresh cream. Close the lid with the pressure weight. Cook the beetroot and milk on medium heat until you hear one whistle. Once the pressure has released naturally, open the cooker. You'll find that the beetroot are softened and tender. Over medium heat, cook the beetroot and milk mixture, stirring continuously. As the milk reduces and the mixture thickens, add the sugar. Continue to stir until the sugar is cooked. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee to the beetroot mix. In a separate pan, heat the ghee and saute the chopped nuts and raisins until they turn golden brown. Add the sorted nuts to the cooking beetroot mixture. Our delicious beetroot halwa is ready to serve. It's a delightful dessert with a naturally sweet and earthily flavor. Thank you for joining me today and I'll see you in next video. Happy cooking and enjoy your pressure cooker beetroot halwa.